Hello and welcome to the August edition of Positive Stories. This month had many positives, from a continent celebrating a momentous milestone, a couple of heroic acts that are shining examples of humanity, an athlete working on the front lines, to seniors posing for a cause. So here are the top 5 positive news stories of August 2020. Before we begin, please show us some love by liking our video, subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon to receive notifications for upcoming positive listicle videos. Number 5. Two surfers save a starving cold dog from a sea cave after it had been missing for 3 months. Two friends were out on a surfing trip when they saved a dog stuck in a sea cliff cave. On August 1st, Zach Regan and Matty Johnson were off on an overnight adventure on Vancouver Island's remote west coast. With everything they needed to go surfing and fishing, it was said to be a great trip. They were out in their small aluminium boat when, out of the corner of his eye, Matty saw the brown legs of an animal in a cave. It was too small to be a bear or a wolf. It was actually a starving, cold, terrified dog. They were trying to beat an upcoming storm, but they made the decision to save the dog, and thus the pair's rescue mission was on. Once the dog was safely in their boat, they snuggled her in a bag to keep her warm. Then once in a dry land in Canada again, they began their search for the owner. Matty says there were great vibes all around when the owners, long since resigned to the death of their dog, got word she was safe. The owners were amazed to see their pet again. They thought they'd lost their dog forever when they became separated on the wild Juan de Fuca trail 3 months ago. That's just the kind of good news we love to hear. Number 4. Seniors recreate iconic movie posters for calendar that's raising thousands for Alzheimer's, and they are amazing. These seniors have been getting fancy with makeup and lights since long before COVID-19 spurred us all to creativity. In amazing photo shoots, residents of the Spiritwood Assisted Living in Washington State have been recreating iconic posters from classic movies for 2 years now, and the results are guaranteed to put a smile on your face. The idea to transform seniors into Hollywood stars came to Jennifer Angel in 2018. She's the Community Relations Director at Spiritwood at Pine Lake. Her mission is to combine unique, enjoyable activities for the residents with something purposeful like raising money for others. Jennifer struck gold when she came up with an idea for a film star calendar. For 2 years, she has dressed up the seniors as Hollywood movie stars, and Village Concepts, a family company that owns the senior home, produces the calendars that are then sold, and every penny earned goes to the Alzheimer's Association. The theme for the 2021 calendar will be iconic figures alongside historical notables. The production of the 2021 calendar has begun this month. Which iconic Hollywood poster is your favorite? Do let us know in the comments. Number 3. Photo of this nurse with newborn babies has become the symbol of resilience after the Beirut explosion. As devastating videos and photos of the Beirut blast have flooded social media platforms, one picture of a nurse standing tall amid all chaos cradling 3 newborn babies has emerged as a symbol of hope. Clicked by Lebanese photojournalist Bilal Zavich near the epicenter of the blast, the photo showed a nurse, Pamela Zinoun, embracing 3 newborns in her arms while making a call on the landline as shattered glass and blood can be seen around. As the blast severely damaged communication networks and electricity in the city, the photographer added that the nurse at hospital's maternity ward remained calm and carried on with her job to get additional help, holding 3 newborn babies and surrounded by dozens of bodies and wounded people. The photo was shared on multiple platforms from Instagram to Reddit and particularly on Twitter, where the unidentified nurse was hailed a hero and angel by people across the globe. Now that's what we call a positive, heroic story. Number 2. Super Bowl winning athlete opts out of 2020 NFL season so he can continue working on COVID-19 frontlines. It has not even been 1 year since Laura Duvernay-Tardif, the offensive lineman for the Kansas City Chiefs, was celebrating the team's Super Bowl victory over the San Francisco 49ers but now the football star is opting out of the upcoming NFL season. Kansas City Chiefs lineman Laura Duvernay-Tardif, who spent 9 weeks in the off-season helping care for medical patients at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, will not be returning for the 2020 season. Since Duvernay-Tardif is a medical school graduate from McGill University in Montreal, he has been working on the front lines of the COVID-19 outbreaks at a long-term facility in Canada. Rather than returning to play the sport he loves, Duvernay-Tardif said he will continue assisting as an orderly until the novel coronavirus is controlled. He called the 9 weeks he spent at the facility both rich and emotionally challenging. He credited doctors, nurses, and other health workers for their resilience working decades in the industry. Being at the front line during this off-season had given him a different perspective on this pandemic and the stress it puts on individuals and the healthcare system, and thus took the decision to continue working, caring for patients rather than being on the field playing the sport he loves. Number 1. Africa finally eradicates the wild polio virus from its continent after decades of work. The World Health Organization is celebrating the news that the African continent is finally free of the wild polio virus, 24 years after Nelson Mandela helped Rotary International launch its Kick Polio Out of Africa campaign. The success comes after an exhaustive, decade-long process of documentation and analysis of polio surveillance and immunization of the region's 47 member states, which included conducting field verification visits to each country. In 1996, African leaders of every country committed to eradicate polio at a time when the virus was paralyzing an estimated 75,000 children annually. While there is no cure for polio, the disease can be prevented through the administration of a simple and effective vaccine. Mandela's call that year mobilized African nations across the continent to step up their efforts to reach every child with the polio vaccine. And the last case of wild polio virus was detected and defeated in 2016 in Nigeria. With no cases reported in the region for 4 years since, Africa successfully met the certification criteria for wild polio eradication and was officially declared polio-free on 25th August 2020, making it a momentous milestone for the continent. Multiply the positivity by sharing these sweet stories with your friends on social media. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications for upcoming positive listicle videos.